Alright, hello YouTube. It is unboxing time. Just got my package from Barney's Warehouse. They got it to me wicked fast. I ordered it Thursday at like 3 or 4 p.m. Actually, I think I did at 6 p.m. And they got it to me almost immediately. Let's get right to it. This is the Dark Shadow Ripley white t-shirt. They got a lot of packing material. Majority packing material. It's gonna be short but sweet. Now this is the Ripple one. I tried the mainline one on in the store. Wasn't exactly a smash hit. I think the ripples didn't look right on me. But then again, I didn't have as much Rick stuff to go with it. I'm just tearing right into this thing. Here we go. All right. It's pretty cool looking. This is, what season is this? I don't even know. This is probably going to want to be layered. It 100% fits me, so that's good. I was worried. I'm weird with, like with Rick. I can fit medium. I fit medium sweatpants, medium sweatshirt. I know the extra large shirts. Okay, yeah. This is not as drapey as the black one that I tried on. Let me just pop this tag off. And this is, okay, this is 17. All right, let me just pop this on and see how it goes. Oh, wicked awesome. This thing's fucking dope. This thing fits way better than the black one that I tried on that was Rick mainline. So this is gonna, yeah, you can put this one like down the side, do this stuff with it. In fact, just a minute, where's my sweatshirt at? Yes, I was in dire need of some non-black Rick, and we done got some word. Wicked happy about this one. Boom.